Hi there, what's up? In this video, we will be comparing Robinhood and TradeStation to see which platform works best for you. We'll talk about fees, tools, and overall experience. So first, user interface and experience. Robinhood has very simple and beginner-friendly interface. For TradeStation, it is more professional and has steeper learning curve. Now, for the second, fees and commissions. Robinhood has zero commission on stocks and ETFs. For TradeStation, it has competitive commissions and it is better for active traders. Third, trading tools and features. Robinhood has basic charting and tools and has limited research. For TradeStation, it has advanced charting, strategy testing, and alerts. Now, for the fourth one, which is account types and minimums. Robinhood has no minimum deposit for basic accounts, while TradeStation has moderate minimums and has multiple account types. Fifth, customer support and resources. For Robinhood, it has basic support and mostly focuses on self-help. For TradeStation, it has extensive tutorials and has responsive support. Now let's go over to pros and cons. For Robinhood, it is easiest for beginners and it has very simple setup. On the other hand, TradeStation is best for active or serious traders. So, for beginners, if you want a simple interface, then Robinhood is ideal for you. But for advanced tools and strategy testing, then TradeStation wins this one. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope this comparison was helpful for you and helped you decide. And yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.